Garuda Gear has a gift for you this Christmas season. Pero bago ko i-reveal yun, let me introduce to you their newest product, the GG80AL Full Kit Keyboard. Hello there, ako si Old Noob at nagpadala sa atin ang Garuda Gear ng isang keyboard, ang GG80 Aluminum. Tara, buksan natin. ₱2,299 lang itong GG80AL. Ito yung kasama sa box niya. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito, ano. Yung harap niya, merong Garuda Gear na nakalagay dito. First time ko magkaroon ng ganitong keyboard, no. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag sa ganitong size, no. Ang tunog ng keycaps niya ay parang, paano ba ma-describe to? Soft sound na very responsive. Bawat press mo doon sa keycaps ay makikita mo kagad doon sa ano, tinatype mo, no? Ganda, very nice. This is GG80 aluminum full kit keyboard. It has full CNC aluminum body, machined aluminum body with an extra protective galaxy coating. It has premium PBT double shot keycaps, aesthetic, high quality, and long lasting. Prelude Gatron Milky Pro switches, one of the best pro switches in the market that already come pre-lubed and modded for that extra silky smooth feel. It has true gasket mount structure, incredible flex feel and typing experience. It has south-facing full RGB LEDs, a premium feature that improves lighting effects and keycap illumination. That's GG80AL from Garuda Gear. Your masterpiece awaits. Buy now. Yung link ay nasa yellow basket, so go check it out. Wala akong actual word na tinatype, no? Random lang yung tinatype ko. Ang ganda niya. Masarap siya gamitin, no? Masarap siya gamitin sa kamay. Very ASMR yung tunog niya, no? Save up to 50% off with Garuda Gear's Holiday Mega Sale. Kaya pwede mo na mabili ang fave Garuda Gear product mo for you or for your friends and loved ones for a low price. And yes, kasama si GG80AL full kit dito. Hurry and buy now. Promo runs while supplies last.